Hey everybody, Dominoes Seven here. Okay, on this Facebook Live video, eventually it'll be uploaded to YouTube. Okay, if it's already on YouTube, then you're looking at me at YouTube. Okay, okay. So chilling in bed, like the title said, on a YouTube Live and a Facebook Live. Okay, okay. So I just had a viewer just blanked off. Then, unless somebody looking at me on a news feed or something, you know. If this video is uploaded on YouTube, then you're looking at me on YouTube. If you're my Facebook friend, then you're looking at me on Facebook. Okay, watching the movie. You know, I don't know what the hell movie I'm looking at. You know, so I guess I'm not watching any videos lately. You know, so by me just hanging out and stuff like that, chilling in bed and stuff like that, you know, watching Lizzie Velasquez videos lately, you know, which I never get tired of watching her videos, you know. I mean, I love Lizzie Velasquez, you know. So for some of you that don't know who Lizzie Velasquez is on my Facebook list, y'all should go on YouTube and check her out, you know. So one of the videos called Twitter and Things, you know. So I like that video though, and let's catch up, you know. All right. So anyway, what I'm thinking about is my best friend Bianca's daughter, you know, Mercedes. They call her Minnie, I think, you know. I mean, I didn't know that she had surgery, you know. She didn't even tell me that she had surgery, you know. I mean, I don't be knowing nothing from her, you know. I mean, if I'm my best friend, she to talk to me, you know, cause you know, instead of calling me a best friend, you know, best friends are loyal, you know. Best friends talk to best friends, you know. On the serious side though, you know, because let me tell y'all something. Best friends is loyal, you know. I mean, you know something, y'all? I'm not a person that's gonna say you my best friend and I love you and stop talking to that person, you know. I call my best friends all the time. Once a week, twice a week, and stuff like that. I don't wait 2, 3, or 4 months to call my best friend, you know. To me, that's fake shit, you know. On the serious side though, you know, I mean, technically I'm a real friend and I love everybody, unless you do me wrong, you know. I mean, on the serious side though, if you have a best friend and you love that person, you should call that person more often, whether it's a male best friend, a female best friend, or whatever, you know. I mean, technically I love everybody, you know. I mean, I only hate people that do me wrong, like my big brother, you know, like my cousins and stuff, you know. Not all of them though, you know. But but the thing is, y'all, I have the best aunt in the world, you know. My godmother, you know. I mean, I love her to pieces. She my second mom, you know, like my grandmother, you know. I mean, she rest in peace though, you know. Okay. And speaking of Dianca though, I mean, I put some on Facebook about her, you know, but I didn't mention her name, you know. I really didn't, you know. I ain't mention her name, but so happened that she found out that I was talking about her, you know. And then all of a sudden, I was walking down the street. Oh, what you agree with? I think I know what you agreed with. Whoever you are. Okay. All right. So, well, I know who you are, but as I was saying, y'all, as I was saying, folks, a real friend, a best friend would call you not no once every 2 months or once every 3 or 4 months or once a year. A best friend will call you about once a week, twice a week, 3 times a week, and stuff like that. I mean, that's a best friend. That's a true friend. True friends are hard to find. But I want to tell y'all something. Don't never ever 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 lie to a mentally disturbed person like me, cause that's why. Well, y'all don't need to know my personal business though. Okay, so we gonna keep that the other thing I was getting ready to say off my show. So I don't know what else to think. You know. So technically, a real best friend, and my friend Dwayne Payne, D Weezy, D Payne. Oh, I'm sorry, I don't know what he called himself these days, but he a real friend, I mean, he had a car. Well, wait a minute, I don't want to go that further. Well, forget it. I might as well say it though. I mean, let me tell y'all something. I mean, he a cool dude, but let me tell y'all something. I mean, friends will be there for you no matter what. But check this out, though. I mean, he don't have a car for a moment, but his so-called friends stop calling him. I mean, some Dwayne is smart. You know what I'm saying? Dwayne is a cool dude, and he very smart. He said he ain't gonna let no anybody in this car, whatever. He a smart dude. Oh shit, I should have said all that. Dwayne might call me and start yelling, "Man, what you doing?" All right, let me shut the hell up. Okay. All right. But as far as Dwayne Payne goes, he 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 my best friend. He calls me every week. I calls him, we talks and everything. Yes, indeed, we cool people. Uh huh. Yep. So he appeared on my show a few times. But he coming back to the show. You know, he'll be back on the show. Watch and see. Okay. Whew. Well, oh well. Okay. So, as far as that, folks, I'm good. So, just in case Diaka's watching this, though, all right. Uh, uh, I mean, I wish she would have told me that her daughter was going to surgery and stuff like that. Because I want to tell y'all, Diaka, just in case you're watching me, that's why I gets mad at you because you don't call me or nothing. I'm sorry to let everybody know. I'm sorry to do that though because I mean I love her, but I just get angry when I don't hear from her. A mental person, and I gotta take my medicine though. But on the serious side though, a mental person do shit without even thinking. Yeah, that's what happens. When somebody's mentally disturbed. I mean, I didn't mean to make that girl cry though. What happened was, I was, I was, this day, I was, I was going to the clinic to see if my mama had a doctor's appointment. So I was, as I was walking to this clinic on Broad, I I wound up I wound up going in that clinic, and then I asked them, "Do my mom have a doctor's appointment?" And then they said no. I'm like, I told them I got I got a phone call from Tulane University. And they told me that it must be the other Tulane, and I said okay. And then as I was walking, I got two strange phone calls. Two. You know. And then I looked at the phone. I looked, and then I said anonymous, And then I looked at the number. I'm like, I'm like, hello. I'm like, girl, stop calling me. And I hung up on her. So, and there was some girl named Alicia, you know. So she was bothering me and stuff like that, you know. So, all right. As I was walking down the street, I was 2.5 blocks down, passed up my house, and then the phone was ringing. The phone was ringing. Well, this ain't a phone. This is a remote control. Okay. Picked up the phone. Oh, Diaka calling me. Hello? Oh, like, I had a shocked look on my face. All right, wait a minute. Let me took my glasses off. I'll do that. Yeah, that's what happened, though. Okay. I had a shocked look on my face. I'm like, this girl called me, and then all of a sudden she had said, "Hello, is this Domino?" I say, "Yes, ma'am. May I ask who am I speaking to?" And then I forgot this girl name. This is so and so Diaka's coworker, and I was like, you know, when she called my phone, I knew something was wrong. I wasn't sure what the hell was wrong, and until I asked, "What's this all about?" And then she was like, there's something you put on Facebook, and Dianca's in the bathroom crying, you know." I'm like, you put something on Facebook. I almost denied it too, you know. I almost denied it though. So the thing is, I'm like, something I put on Facebook. I'm like, well, let me tell y'all something. I felt bad about making her cry though, even though I was in the right, you know. How I was in the right? Because she came to New Orleans without letting me know. I wanted to see her so bad, you know. I was always I be devastated when I don't see Diaka. I miss that girl so much, you know. I really miss Diaka, you know. I miss seeing her. I miss talking to her, you know. It devastates me. That's why I be getting mad at her, you know, because she don't call me. She don't come see me. I hate that she live in Texas, you know. I hate that she live far away, you know. I really hate it. You know, it devastates me that she live far away, you know. So fucking far away, it makes me want to scream, you know. It makes me want to scream that she live so far. I can't go see her. She don't come see me. It makes me want to scream when you know, I just get devastated. You know, every time I get mad at her, I get devastated. I get agitated that I don't hear from her or see her. I want to see her so bad. I'm not gonna be satisfied until she come knock on my door one day and come see me. I want to see her in person. You know, that's what I want. Okay, but I guess my Christmas wish ain't gonna come true. You know, it just devastates me that I don't hear from her. You know, I just wish I can talk to her. You know. Well, that's why I was mad at her. You know, that's why I made her cry, because she didn't come see me. I want to see her so damn bad. You know, it devastated me that she. Well, oh wait a minute, my auntie probably watching this. Well, I do need to be careful what the hell I'm saying on here. You know. Well, that's it. Peace out.